out some basketball.
Pablo, let's all just admit it. We are terrible at sports. Remember when we played soccer?
Good call, Billy. No jugamos bien al fútbol. But that's just one sport. What about that baseball tournament Toño and Toña were in?
Don't go there, Pablo. It was Toña. It was Toño. Whatever.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Ellos no juegan bien al béisbol. But you, I thought you played tennis.
Yeah, one time, but not such a good experience.
Ouch, and remember now, no juegas bien al tenis. Okay, well, we've got to break the cycle somehow. Come on, we're going to play some basketball. Jugamos al basketball.
No way! Forget it! I am out of here!
Hey, little dudes, come back. Hey, Billy, where are you going? Well, okay. I guess it's up to me to carry on somehow. Juego al basketball. And then again, maybe not.